Okay, here's an updated toolbox tour. Now that I switched over a lot of tools from here to my roll cab. I got Mac SAE T-handles, Mac metric T-handles, Mac plier set. This is my road call socket tray. Have some Snap-on SAE shallow, Craftsman deep. These are Wright tools, Craftsman SAE Allen sockets, some Mac, and some Craftsman half drive SAEs, and then some miscellaneous sockets there. Back here I have quarter drive metric impact socket set that I don't really use too often. But one day it'll come in handy. And then I have a Snap-on 3/4 drive extension. Got my Snap-on 3/4 drive ratchet. I got an extra long Mako 88 tooth with a soft handle half drive ratchet. This is an extremely long 3/8 drive. Got it from the Mack truck. I'm not sure what brand it is, but it's pretty long and it's got a lot of leverage. This is a 88 tooth Mako. This was my longest 3/8 drive ratchet for a long time. And I got the smaller one right here, Mako. And then this is a Carlisle fine tooth quarter drive ratchet. Okay, next drawer down. I got some gauge tools here, valve adjust feeler gauges, 1.5" crow's foot. I got some metric gear wrench, SAE gear wrench, and some Mac stubbies from 5/16 to 1 inch. Some Craftsman large wrenches, Harbor Freight adjustable, and some Harbor Freight angle wrenches, and these little slim wrenches from Harbor Freight. These come in pretty handy too. I got 3 measuring tapes. This is a Brownline digital angle gauge for torque turns on mains and cylinder heads. The quarter drive Snap-on inch-pound torque wrench. Precision Instruments 3/8 drive torque wrench, and a Snap-on half drive torque wrench. Next drawer down, I got some Carlisle screwdrivers, Snap-on long screwdriver, Mac scraper, it's a Baco scraper, cotter pin extractor from Craftsman, a couple Snap-on picks, some Allen's Milwaukee mini screwdrivers, and some Cobalt nut drivers that are SAE, Easy Red needle nose and angled, a couple hose pinch off tools. These are some small pliers from Craftsman. These are for Corbin hose clamps. These are for axle cones for like a Meritor Rockwell axle. This is to braid mechanics wire. Some Blue Point crimpers, some Mac cable cutters, some Mac dikes, crescent needle nose, and these F-type crimpers for like weather pack. Some locking pliers. This is my snap ring set. I got the Mac internal, external, extra large snap ring pliers, and then I got a bunch of Mac internal, external snap ring pliers. Okay, here I have a Harbor Freight SAE 3/4 drive socket set, Snap-on speed handle. Got some Harbor Freight long screwdrivers back there, metric 3/4 drive, OTC socket. Those are SAE 3/4 drive impact. These are big half drives. SAE. Got my 10, Mako, 14 snap-on, and 19 snap-on. And I got some Mako weather heads. Snap-on. I believe this is metric. Yep, metric set. Mako half drive torque wrench, and my Proto 3/4 drive torque wrench. And here I got just a bunch of cheater pipes, some long pry bars, and old school torque wrench. Here's my wrench drawer. These are snap-on SAE. These are all gear wrench ratcheting wrenches, and those are metric. Got some metric Mako, some Mac SAE, and those are jumbo wrenches that I cut in half for hard to get 2 spots. That's a big crow's feet set, and then those are Harbor Freight jumbo wrenches. That's a SK wrench set. That's metric, and there's no skips. That's a pretty nice set. And that's my extra long Mako spline drive flex head wrenches. Here I have pipe wrenches, some slip joint pliers, seal puller, small C clamp, and a bunch of punches. These are wrist pins out of a Cummins 8.3 liter ISLG that I used to put in some freeze plugs. Got a large dead blow, a couple ball peens. This is a slide hammer. I use this pressure screw to pull out rear main seals on Cummins engines. A large rivet gun and a chain wrench. It's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff, just, you know, spark plug boots, bolts, washers, nuts, cookies, fittings, O-rings. I got a OTC puller set right there, a stethoscope, and this is an ATD master Allen socket set. It's pretty nice. Definitely no skips there. Below here I got a bunch of junk. I got a air coil, you know, anti-seize, luber plate, funnels, filter wrenches, some propane, contact cleaner, pressure tester for cooling systems. I got a bunch of pneumatic tools in here. I got drill bits in there, some wire wheels back there. You know, just a bunch of miscellaneous air tools I don't really use anymore. I got a 90-degree drill that I haven't never used, luckily. Next is my tap and die set, my thread restore, impact driver. This is a stud remover, Hansen Irwin extractor. These are for stripped heads. Got some Craftsman drill bits, more extractors, and then this is a spindle rethreader for axles. I got 2 Craftsman sets for bits. That's my back probe. That's a thermometer from Cornwell. That's a Mako dial indicator. These are my 2 digital dial calipers, the 6-inch, and that's for measuring rotors, so it's a little bit bigger. Terminal toolkit and some butt connectors down there. And this is a misfire pen. Works pretty good. I used to use it a lot on the CNG Cummins 8.3 liter. This is my electrical drawer slash junk drawer. Got some relay testers, bypass for relays, bunch of tie wraps, alligator clips, pens, wires, some blue point strippers, a tape, bore scope, just a bunch of junk. Next down, got jumbo sockets back there, grease gun, Craftsman bit set, some spare parts, spare nuts and bolts, and you know, just a bunch of sockets and dial indicator base and bottle jack, some specialty tools for removing AC clutches. And that's pretty much it. Up here I have some chargers. That's my Streamlight charger, and then a couple more chargers. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Oh, before I forget, I have some tools in this cabinet. Three-quarter drive snap-on impact gun. I rarely use that anymore. Then down here I have a snap-on refrigerant detector, snap-on compression gauge, and then this Mac pick set. It's pretty nice. It's got every pick you can think of. Yep, that's pretty much it, man. Thanks for watching.